How's it going, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, and today is going to be a quick video on Kindle publishing before I run out to Costco and have some fun for the rest of this Sunday. How I quantify based on the bestsellers ranking that I see on Amazon for books, how I quantify and how I know how many books are selling in a given time frame, how many copies are being sold per day for a paperback or ebook. And let me just tell you right off the bat that these are just estimates because at any given time, there could be factors influencing or spiking the algorithm with Amazon's bestsellers ranking. So just because you see an ebook ranking of 50,000 paid in the Kindle store doesn't really mean, for instance, that it sells 5 to 15 copies a day. Oftentimes, if the paperback is selling really well, I know from experience that it will skew the Kindle BSR, just the way the algorithm works for whatever reason. So these are just estimates. And also what I want to tell you is that the calculations for rankings for ebook and paperback are slightly different. So what I can tell you now is that when we go to the lower tier rankings, when we go to the best-selling books, these generally hold to be true with regards to ebooks and paperbacks. I have been able to sell paperbacks in this range of 100 to 120 per day, and I can tell you firsthand this is pretty accurate for ebook and paperback. Now, for paperback in particular, you are not selling just one book a day for 50,000 to 100,000. What I would actually say is that I think I made this. Maybe not. I'm not going to take credit for it. I'm just going to assume I didn't make this. I would say that if you're around rank 200,000 to maybe even 250,000, you're selling one book a day or every 2, maybe even 3 days. And from there, yeah, I think I did make this. That the rank from 100,000 to 50,000, you're selling 1 to 3 books per day, and so on. So I'm just going to give you guys time to look at this, and you can always pause the video if you want to memorize it. I do have these in my course for you to download. Of course, I don't want you to join my course just to download these, but just take a look at this and try to memorize it. And these have been my guidelines all along for the past almost 2 years, and how I quantify how many copies of a book are selling in a given time frame. And that's about it for today's video, guys. So let me know in the comments more of what you'd like to see. We can do I will do more keyword research, keyword assessment. Every now and then I'll give more keywords away. You know, I can't spoil you guys, but if you want the best keywords that I give out, it's in the Elite Keyword Mastermind, so you want to be able to check that out below. But otherwise, guys, have a good Sunday. I'm going to head out and have some fun, and I'll see you later. Later.